It's been years since I've been able to sink my teeth into a proper Katamari game. Sure, there's been Vita and iOS versions recently, but since Keita Takahashi left, it's just not the same, man. He's out making playgrounds, and I'm finding the corporate direction of the series out of touch with the absurd, acid-laced whimsy that attracted an octopus of gamers in the first place. What the series still has, though, is rolling up crap to get bigger. And in Solar 2, I'm not gonna say Electric Boogaloo, I'm not gonna say it, the idea is much the same. You're just starting on a much larger scale, specifically that of a moderately sized asteroid. And you've got to fling yourself into other asteroids to grow. Do so now. See? Smash together enough cosmic dust and debris and eventually you'll become a planet. Then the game changes. Further asteroid collisions will result in losing mass rather than gaining it. Instead, you've got to gracefully sidle up to a couple hunks of space rock, entice them to orbit you, and then absorb them in a manner I doubt is in line with astrophysics as we know them. But no matter, you've got mass to build, such that you begin to attract an atmosphere and become capable of supporting life. Yes, life, where every other video game starts, but which is just another stepping stone in the path to cosmic adulthood. Eventually, these enterprising civilizations that call you home will develop useful things, like starfighters and shields and ground-to-space weaponry, capable of protecting you from galactic nomads and asteroid fields even as you continue to attract and absorb more and more mass. Until the moment of truth, you become a star. Not of the fame and fortune kind, but in the huge ball of plasma kind. Your civilization's kinda screwed, but that's okay. Now you can entice planets into orbit and let them have their own civilizations. First 3, then 6 at a time as you grow through starhood, until you find a loving partner and become one half of a binary star system. And then it just gets more interesting from there, but I've done my Carl Sagan bit for today. Let's get on into the gameplay. You move your cosmic object and you've got buttons for absorbing orbiting stuff. That's really all you need. Missions, yes there are missions, are triggered by entering a certain sector of space and then receiving an objective from the rather cheeky narrator thing down there at the bottom. Might involve eliminating a planet full of skunks. It might involve cleaning asteroid debris off of a particular system. Or it might involve throwing one hell of a concert, with every self-respecting stellar body within several parsecs showing up to get close to the stage. And you are the stage. It's not got much in the way of sight or sound, as the music, this particularly rocking track notwithstanding, sounds like so much background noise in a largely empty ocean of stars. But that emptiness in what is really a sandbox-style game feels at once out of place and also completely liberating. You don't need flashy graphics, you just need a rock crashing into another rock, and then crashing into another rock, and then developing an indigenous people who develop aerospace aviation. Solar 2 might make you feel small at the beginning, but that very feeling makes you want to get bigger, and that's awesome. A feat of gaming on a cosmic scale.